Scout, would you come out? No one's around.
But I don't want to come home in this costume.
Well, we have to go. Atticus is expecting us.
Okay, I'm coming. It's so pushy.
Where are your shoes?
What? My shoes? I think I left them.
Okay, well, we'll come back tomorrow. Hopefully the janitor will let us in since it's Sunday. And let's go. You hear that?
Hear what?
Never mind. Let's keep walking. So, you hear that?
What the heck are you talking about?
When we're walking here, when we stop out here no more.
Shut up, yo. You're just trying to scare me.
Yo.
Yes, now let's keep walking. Wait, I hear it now. I think it's that old Cecil Jacobs trying to scare us again. Cecil Jacobs is a big red hen! Now let's keep walking.
Okay.
Run, Scout!
What happened to you and Jim?
I don't know, I just don't know.
Hello, Mr. Tate?
I talked to Dr. Reynolds about Jeff's condition. He's got a bad break, as much as he could tell. Someone must have broke his arm. I'll put Dr. Reynolds on the phone. Hello?
Hi, Dr. Reynolds. How's my son?
He'll be fine, nothing to worry about.
Okay, thank you, doctor.
I'll pass you back to Heck.
Will do.
Atticus, I just found out some news. Bobby was lying on the ground under that tree down yonder with a kitchen knife stuck up between his ribs. He's dead, Mr. Finch.
Are you sure about that?
Unfortunately, yes, sir. He ain't gonna bother you or anyone in this town ever again. Atticus, do you mind passing this down on the phone so she can tell me what happened?
Sure.
I don't even know, sir. I was just walking and someone grabbed me, yo. Knocked me down like a domino. Jem found me there, and then Mr. Yule, I reckon, grabbed him, and Jem shouted for me to run. I did see someone in the distance carrying Jem's body as I was running.
Well, who was it, Scout?
Oh, he's right there. In my house, but you can't see him.
Louise Finch, Mr. Arthur Radley.
Hey, boo.
So it was you, Doctor. Scout, you might not be able to Atticus again.
Would you like to say goodnight to Jem, Mr. Arthur? You can pin him if you want, since he's asleep. Let's go out to the porch.
Heck, I guess the only thing to do is to put Jem on a court trial since he killed Mr. Yule.
Mr. Finch, you think your own son killed Mr. Yule? Is that what you think? He never touched his hair on his own wrinkled head. Bob Yule fell on his knife. He killed his own demon himself. This is what I said that for no reason and not the one responsible for his death is himself. Karma, right? In my way of thinking, taking one man who's done this town a great service and dragging him with his shy ways into the limelight, to me that's a sin. It's a sin and I'm not about to have it on my head. I may not be much, Mr. Finch, but I am still the sheriff of Macomb County and Bob Buell found his knife. That's all I have to say. Your son is innocent. Good night, sir.
Atticus, I think Mr. Tate was right. Wouldn't it be sort of like shooting a mockingbird?
Yeah, in a way. Thank you, Mr. Arthur, for watching my team.
Walk.
Oh crap, I'm not even getting to the camera.
Neighbors bring food with death and flowers with sickness and little things in between. Boo is our neighbor. He gave us 2 soap dolls, a broken watch and chain, a knife, and our lives. One time Atticus said you really never knew a man until you stood in his shoes and walked around in them. Just standing on the Radley porch is enough. The summer that had begun so long ago had ended. Another summer had taken its place, and a fall and Boo had come out. It was to think of these days many times of Jem and Dill and Boo and Tom Robinson and Atticus. He would be in Jem's room all night, and he would be there when Jem waked up in the morning. You hear that?
You hear that?
Hear what?
Never mind. Let's keep walking. You hear that?
What the heck are you talking about?
When we're walking, I hear it. When we stop, I don't hear it no more.
Oh. Hello, Mr. Tate? Hello, Mr. Tate? Jean Louise? Mr. Arthur Radley? Or as you like to call him, Boo? Hey, Boo. I think they need a new piece.
Yes, they do! Oh,
there's more in the trash.
I know, get the rest! Hold on! You just wrap it. Look, leave it. Now, don't move your arm.
Lay down.
Now, just leave it like, no. Leave it. Okay!